Good afternoon, everybody. I have the NASDAQ Biotechnology Index up before us. These are all the biotech stocks that are in here, and there have been some big movers, and we have a lot of setups that we're going to be trading to the long side off of their support level. This time of year, just so everybody understands, it's not the most favorable time seasonality for biotech, but there's a lot of great names in here that make a lot of money. And I'm just letting you see some of them as I'm rolling down through them. And we already know what the winners are. And it's a great way to make a lot of money. And we have done that. So here's the daily chart. Unfortunately, on 725, we were calling for a correction, and we were at 3446.33 on that daily, and it started right here with that red bar, and then that reversal was on. It closed below the daily moving averages. The 10 was going down in value. The 20 has just now started to roll over. The white line is what we refer to as a 50-day simple moving average. But here's the key. This is the 100 simple day moving average. Now, here's the deal. We are in a bear reversal. So we're looking for a bull reversal. So I just want to show one thing here is the 10-day has crossed over the 50-day moving average. So that 10 days at 33.61, and that 50-day is 32.23, and the 100-day that we're testing is at 31.43, and so forth. So the bigger part of this trade is to see that it is been oversold. This is what it looks like. That's a doji right there. So basically, when I take a quick trend line and I'll put it right here, okay, these are the bottoms. This is where we sold down through at resistance, and this 3160 area is going to be support. I have what we refer to right now as a 4-week reversal on the weekly chart on the NBIX, biotechnology sector, in the NASDAQ. And we can clearly see the 20-week is at 3165, and we're testing it. That 10-week, which is still kind of rising a little bit, that's at 3271, my friends. And you know what else? The 40-week moving average, which is down here, that is at 3063, and the 50-day moving average, which is right down here with it, it's the white line, that's at 3031.49. And of course, we have what we call a 100-week moving average that is at 302.296. Now, having said that, basically, we're going to be looking at stocks like REGN, which is the leadership in it. It's below the 10-week, and I just want people to be clear about it. We trade this 2 or 3 times a week. The 100-week moving average is at 453.78. That 10-week at 466.81 is resistance. There's another great one. The ICPT trade has finally been broken, and you can see, I'll draw a trend line right down here from the 2016 support. And these are the reversals up here. And we're looking at where the oversold conditions are going to bounce intraday. That's a consolidation here at the 10-day. That's a possibility. We also have one in here that we like. And I'll point this out. Just KITE, which is up here at its all-time highs. And yes, it is a little bit of extended move. We would be looking at buying the put options here at the 130 put strike price on KITE. It is overbought. That's the problem with that one. It had a great run. And we have others in here too that we like. We like the BIIB. And here it is. It's broken down on the daily chart below the 10 and the 20. and it's going to be coming up to the 200-day simple moving average at 280. That's where we're looking at support right there on BIIB. Then there's a lot of other ones in here. I can point them out that this TSRO, it's broken down big time on the daily chart, and we can see right here. But they'll get oversold, and I'm just giving our other traders ideas. We already know which ones are going to do what in here. This INCY has gotten below its 200-day simple moving average and definitely is getting oversold for a quick trade, which we call the fast money trade. That 10-day is up there at 133, and that 200-day moving average is clear over here at 119, and we broke below it. So that one definitely is a broken trend. So we'll look at trading the put options and whatnot. Once again, the NASDAQ Biotech itself is a great index to be in at certain times. And here's the conclusion that we're breaking down to the 100-day simple moving average. Once again, it's the biotech sector